14. So let's get right into it. So for the CPU, we're gonna go with an AMD Cepron 145 2.8 gigahertz single core processor. So with the cooling fan I got, you can upgrade this thing, well, overclock this thing to 3.4 gigahertz, 3.5 around there with the mass cooling. So that is $40, and the mass cooling CPU cooler is only $20. So for our motherboard, we're gonna go with an Asus M587AL Micro ATX motherboard. This comes at $45 after mail-in rebate. For our memory, we're gonna go with Corsair XM-S3 4GB memory. Now this is getting really cheap right now because there's a $20 mail-in rebate and also an $8 promo code off. So this comes at $30 for 4GB, which is extremely cheap. For our storage, we're gonna go with a Western Digital 250GB hard drive. This comes out $35. I was just looking for a cheap but pretty big hard drive and kind of fast, got all the perks and stuff. So for our video card, we're gonna go with an Asus HD 6450, 1GB of DDR5 memory. This comes at $30. This is extremely cheap for this type of mod, for this type of video card. This can play Minecraft and some other games at medium to max settings at 1080p. So for a case, we're going to go with a $20 case, which is a Zenflex Mark Beta ATX mid-tower case. It's a $20, really cheap, and will fit all your components in it. So for our power supply, we're going to go with the Raid Max Cobra 500 watt power supply. This is crazy. This build only takes up 200 watts in total, so it's kind of, overkill, but, you can upgrade your graphics card or CPU in the future. So this comes at $200 or $250, either one you can pick. And right now, if you go over a little bit, oh my gosh, it's just so slow because of my little brother, but, whatever. So thank you guys for watching this video, and please subscribe, comment, like, and favorite, and come back to see my other PC builds, and leaving a like will help me make more.